What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, a lot has been going on over the last few days. The Bitcoin price has shot down all the way below 10,000. We almost filled that CME futures gap right here, guys. That is just exciting, guys. And don't forget, I am doing a giveaway for my Ledger Nano S. One of my first 500 subscribers are in it to win. I'll do that drawing for you guys all live to see. But guys, there's a lot going on in the coin price. Let's dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so Bitcoin having a bit of a shot down. We almost touched that CME futures gap. We were very close to it, but didn't quite hit it. So I think that we're actually going to fill it over the next few days. That's what I believe is going to happen. Since we've had just a big sell-off here, down from, up from $12,000 all the way down to $10,000. That's a $2,000 drop. And basically we do have a support down here at 9,600 as well. So I think we're going to end up running into that support, bouncing off it, closing that CME futures gap. And then hopefully we can get a little bit more room to the upside here, because I think that would be considered, the bottom for bullish territory. And if we go any lower than that, then I would say I'd be turning my views to bearish. Just quite simply, guys. You can see there's that trend line right there. So hopefully we get a little bit of a bounce. We can bounce back up into this orange box and hopefully get back up towards $11,000. But first we have to break through the resistance at 10,500 and continue moving upwards, guys. So there's some work to be done for Bitcoin. There's been a strong sell-off. It was overdue, to be honest with you. Once we hit 12 and over 12, that sell-off could have came any time, and we hit 12 3 times. It looks like over 12, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So some great opportunities to make money right there, guys. And let's talk about OXT, guys. Check it out. So if you got in at $4, you had an opportunity to get out at least. And it is now back down at 0.34. If you got in, though, at 0.31 or 32, you're in a very good spot right now, and you probably just made a flip. Congratulations if you caught that. Let me know if you did in the comments, guys. That would be a good one. For instance, I did not wake up yet. I missed this. I'm sitting right here and hoping it goes back up more. I would like to get a sell-off at around 4.0. or even a little higher. That would be nice. I would like to actually see OXT kind of get a little bit of a rebound now and start to kind of come up. I don't want to see it continuously trickling down into the twos, like 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, somewhere in there. That would just be a very bearish sign and something we really definitely want to avoid with OXT, guys. But it definitely could happen. So be very mindful of that moving forward, guys. This does look like it's breaking down a little bit. And with breakdowns, guys, you don't want to be stuck in at a buy and going down big percentages. Like every what is it, 10,000 Satoshi there is basically 5 to 10%. So every single time it drops is a huge drop. So say like you got in at 0.40, you're down quite a bit right now. And if you got in at 0.31, you're up quite a bit right now. This is how easily the market is moving right now with OXT. So you can really make some good profits. You can really squeeze some good gains out of there, but also be careful, guys. You can get wrecked very easily. So keep that in mind moving forward with OXT, guys. There's definitely some profits to be made. Let me know if you're catching them. And guys, I've been wanting to talk about Electroneum. We broke out of this descending triangle. I said we would break out of it to the downside, and if you look from back here, let's draw it from right here to there, and if we take that, zoom out a little bit, move over, so basically we could end up all the way down here, which is close to 0.0040. So guys, when I was talking about that breakdown, it's actually happening right now. So Electroneum looking a little bearish. Hopefully we can hold the 0.004 support, and then we can get a little bit of a bounce off that. But as you guys can see, it's not looking good for the short term, as we have broken support levels, okay? And the next support is down at 0.004. So hopefully we can actually just get a little bit of an uptrend going, so we don't actually go down that far, because that would scare a lot of people for sure, going down from 0.0047 down to 0.004. And I think Electroneum still has a lot of good things going for it. So it's really a shame to see the price drop that much. But guys, after a big run up all the way up to a cent, you can expect a sell off. And if you think about it, we're getting close to being at almost a 60% sell-off. So that looks like something that could be considered the bottom. Hopefully it is the bottom, and we're going to actually get a bounce off of something like 0.004. Okay, that's what I would like to see with Electroneum. That would give me still bullish sentiment for the future. If we break down below 0.004, then I would say we are bearish. Okay, guys? And I want to talk a little bit about BAT, which is having a breakdown. Okay, guys? We had a pump all the way up to 44 cents. And then just a few weeks later, all the way down at 23 cents again. So a cut in half, guys. There's a lot of that going around right now. Be very careful with your bags, guys. Be looking to get these bottoms, but the reason for that is because we are still in a bull market, and the bull market is here. So even though it doesn't, feel like these extravagant gains, making 10x or something, but guys, that might come. It's just not coming yet. Okay, the bull market phase has started, and it could take 1, 2, 3 years for it to play out. It really could, before we end up seeing another bear market. So keep your bags readily available to you guys. Make sure that you're able to get in or out properly if you need to. I am honestly holding more bags than I'm selling right now. I'm definitely holding on. Like, I believe in the higher Bitcoin price. I believe in higher altcoin price. I think the altcoins will follow Bitcoin whenever we have that big run, and it'll just be really amazing and good times. And we just had some good times, guys, so let's just be realistic here. We just had some big run-ups. I hope you guys took some profits. I hope you guys are in a better position now and got in a good place. And it's as simple as that, guys. Guys, I wanted to keep it very short today, just a nice short video. I have some family stuff I got to do, and I got to cut the lawn. But there's a lot going on in cryptocurrency price right now, guys, so just keep your mind open to it, and be ready to buy these lows, and be ready to either flip the tops or accumulate more coin, guys. That's all I can suggest. That's what I do. I accumulate as much as I can, and I try to make money on the tops with my extra coin when I can. And that's what I suggest you guys. Be sure to subscribe and like. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.